Hello friends and fellow alumni of the UWC Red Cross Nordic. My name is Robert Bob Okello and I'm from Uganda, and I did graduate in the class of 2015. Those were 5 long years ago. I do come before you by way of this video at a truly unprecedented time in the history of our shared global community. COVID-19 has indeed tested the fabric of our humanity, and indeed ushered each and every one of us into an era of a new normal. As a college community, we were enthusiastically gearing up for the celebration of the 25th anniversary of the college, and then the pandemic hit, and now all planned events have been postponed. At this time, about 23% of current students, that's about 45 out of 200 students in this academic year, were not able to go back home and now have to stay here in Norway, partly with a host family and partly on campus. I am therefore appealing to each and every one of us in the alumni community to embrace and rally behind the various endeavors that the college is pursuing to support current and future generations of RCNers. You can be a part of this endeavor by, one, supporting the summer program that the college has put in place for those students who are not able to go home at the moment. And also, you can contribute and be a part of the student village renovation program. You see, you and I remember that our time in Fleke could have been very different. But what was at the core of that experience was the time we spent in the student village. I, for example, remember the meaningful conversations we had in the Finland House Day Room, or even those wonderful nights where we spent time together playing Mafia in Norway House Day Room. The student village is really what makes Fleke a home away from home for so many students during their time in Norway. You see, I believe that to whom much has been given, much is expected. Now, that is not just a sense of responsibility, but I see it as a wonderful opportunity to be a part of something greater than ourselves. Giving back and paying it forward is indeed one of the most noble things that you and I can do as a sign of appreciation for what that place means to each and every one of us, and to ensure that future generations of students can have such a wonderful experience as well. I do believe that collectively and together, we can indeed make education a force to unite people, nations, and cultures for peace and a sustainable future. So wherever you are in the world, be a part of these two programs. Let us collectively spread the word within and outside of the UWC alumni network, so that we can achieve the target that has been put in place in the GoFundMe campaign. I wish you all good health, and I pray that you will stay safe wherever you are. Thank you.